There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword non-local. Welcome, Python coders and enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a keyword that is pivotal for managing variable scope in nested functions, non-local. This often overlooked feature of Python can unlock new levels of functionality in your code. Let's explore non-local together. The non-local keyword in Python is used to declare that a variable inside a nested function refers to a variable in the outer enclosing function. It allows you to modify the value of a variable in an outer scope, which isn't possible with local variables. Why non-local? In nested function structures, non-local provides a way to access and modify variables defined in an outer function. This is essential for creating more complex, closure-based functions where you need to alter variables that are non-global, but also outside the current function's scope. The non-local keyword shines in scenarios involving nested functions, where you need to change the value of a variable defined in an outer function. It's particularly useful in callback functions, closures, or when implementing decorators that require state retention across calls. Let's illustrate the use of non-local with a simple example. In this snippet, outer function defines a variable counter. The nested inner function then modifies this counter variable using non-local, demonstrating how non-local allows the inner function to access and modify the outer function's variable. And that's a wrap on the non-local keyword. By effectively utilizing non-local, you can manage variable scope within nested functions, adding a new layer of functionality to your Python code. Continue your journey through Python's intricate features with us. For more enlightening tutorials, make sure to subscribe.